Track 2. You will hear Aisha talking to her friend Diandra on phone. Diandra tells Aisha about her new job. Listen to the audio carefully and write if the given statements are true or false.
Hey Diandra, how is your new job?
Hi Aisha, I'm enjoying it a lot. It was always my passion to be a tourist guide.
You are with a company that takes group of tourists, isn't it?
You are right, Aisha.
What mode of transport did you take and where did you go with them?
We travelled by bus and visited the Lotus Temple and Qutub Minar. It was a long day.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. How many people were there with you today?
35 people were expected in today's group, but only 20 turned up. The bus had quite a few empty seats.
Why was that?
Because of sudden change in the weather, few people didn't feel too well to step out for today's outing.
Were you the only guide with the tourist group today?
No, Anirudh too was there. He was a big help, taking care of the food and beverages and comforts of the tourists.
Did you get time to eat lunch, Diandra?
No, I did not eat lunch. I quickly grabbed a sandwich from a cafe near my house. The tourists ate in the restaurant near the Qutub Minar. Then they visited the monument with Anirudh as their historical guide.
Your schedule is demanding, but it seems both Anirudh and you seem to enjoy your work immensely.
I have always loved history and enjoyed traveling a lot. This job fulfills both my desires.
What time did you get back to the hotel? You sound exhausted.
We got back at 5 and then we had a little time with the leader of the tourist group discussing the following day's itinerary.
Where are you going tomorrow?
We are taking the group to the Rail Museum in the morning and then to Rashtrapati Bhavan after lunch. I hope tomorrow will not be so hectic for me.
That sounds good. Rashtrapati Bhavan will surely fascinate your guests.
Why don't you join us tomorrow?
Well, maybe some other time. I am going to Agra tomorrow.
Listen to the telephonic conversation again to check your answers.